Hello guys, welcome back to of Things. But for today's video, we're going to show you how to use the IMDb website. So using the IMDb website here is pretty easy. So first things first is you want to access their official website. It's going to be imdb.com, and you want to go and sign in or create your account. Now at the top right, you have the sign in button. Just go and press or click on it, and you want to go and just sign in using your Amazon, or if you want to create your account manually here. But I'm going to sign in using my Google account. Let's go and click on sign in with Google. And let's go and just choose our Google account. Let's go and choose this one. And let's go and click on continue so that we could connect our account here. And once you've done that, it's going to say create your IMDb account. Let's go and finish this. And that should create your account here at IMDb. Now, using the website itself is really easy. Now, on the homepage here, or the first time that you access the website, you have the option to basically view a few things. So first is going to be like different updates right now for different series or movies as of right now. You also have like different featured movies or TV series here, and you also have like different popular celebrities as well. They also have the different top picks as of right now, and a lot of information like top 10 IMDb this week, and also from your watch list. Now, if you click on the top left option here, so the menu option, you have the option to view like release calendars, top 50 movies, most popular TV shows, awards and events, and a lot more. Now, if you click one of them, like for example, let's go and click on this section here for IMDb Summer. It should give you the option to see the recent releases for that specific summer. Let's go and choose or open up this movie here. Now, in the movie section, you should be able to see a bunch of things, like, for example, the director, the writers, the stars, and also some information about that specific movie. They also have the option to add this to your watch list, and also the option to mark this as a watch if you've already watched this. Now, if you want to access your watch list, go and click on the top right here, and this should actually give you all the watch lists that you currently have right now. Now, from here, if you click on your profile at the top right here, you have the option to go to your ratings, go to your profile, or even like view your watch history here, and even adjust your account settings and even log out. But that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.